Hello, I am Chantel Nicole Situmubsok from grade 3 The transformation of water from its liquid states to solid ice is a fundamental example of a phase change known as freezing. This process occurs when the temperature of liquid water decreases to its freezing point, typically 0 Celsius under standard atmospheric conditions. Sugar, a common crystalline substance, undergoes a fascinating transformation when heated. This process, known as melting, occurs when solid sugar is exposed to high temperatures, causing it to change from a solid to a liquid state. At around 186 Celsius, sugar begins to break down and liquefy. Thank you, everyone.